Hi guys, and in today's video I'm going to show you if it's possible to make an NFT on your mobile phone or tablet. While you may think that this is very impossible, it may shock you to know that many have made some NFTs with their phone or tablets in the comfort of their homes, while on vacation or just whiling away time, and it's simpler than you think. As you go through this video, you will see this artwork which I made using my phone, as well as other artwork I've made across my channel with my phone. Also, I'll be making a playlist very soon where I make NFT collections, and not just one NFT piece, but a whole collection of over 10 or maybe 20 to even 30 individual pieces of art, which I will then list on OpenSea, which is an NFT marketplace, and then gift to a few of you some of these NFTs. If you would like me to gift you one, just subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment telling me what you will use the NFT to do. Also, it may interest you to know that you need just a few items to make NFTs on your mobile phone or tablet. The first one which you need, and which is very important, is a drawing software. For example, on this channel I've used two so far: Adobe Illustrator Draw, also known as Adobe Draw, and Infinix Painter, which I'm currently using now, since Adobe Draw will become obsolete by January. Secondly, you need a mobile device, but since you're watching this video right now, that shows you have a mobile device, and this does not need to be top tier. If it has some very nice features, like you could work on it without it hanging, and you have some good amount of space on it, then that's all you need. If you fancy a stylus, you might get one, but that is not necessary. I use my fingers, and you can too. So, what do you think? Do you think you can make some NFTs on your phone, sell, and get some money from doing what you love? Well, I think I can too, and I hope you join me on this journey as we make NFTs together. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, share with friends, and comment down below what you would love me to cover in this course. And till then, stay safe.